going to unboxing the latest K20 Pro to all of you, the flagship killer. Full screen AMOLED display, in-display fingerprint sensor, Qualcomm Snapdragon 855, the pop-up selfie camera, triple camera module with a wide-angle lens, priced under Rs 30,000, price starting at Rs 27,999. The new RedMi K20 Pro ticks all right boxes with flagship specifications. But, all comes down to the performance it offers. Gamers are going to love this feature as the game turbo focuses on enhancing the gaming experience. It does not just boost speed and power while playing games but even allows customizing touch response, sensitivity to repeated taps and even reduce the touch resistance area near edges to avoid triggering touch controls. There was no major heating issue during games, but the device got warm. The 4000 mAh battery lasted me a full day on a single charge. This included a couple of hours of video streaming, camera usage, web browsing, emails and social networking along with the always-on mode turned on. The device is accompanied with an 18 watts charger, whereas the phone also supports 27 watts fast charge. Xiaomi has once again proved its mettle with the RedMi K20 Pro, a decent-looking flagship smartphone with impressive camera and superb performance. We reviewed the high-end variant having 8GB RAM and 256GB storage priced at Rs 30,999. However, the variant with 6GB RAM and 128GB storage at Rs 27,999 smartly fills the void between the Rs 20,000 to Rs 30,000 price categories segment. The front dominated with a 6.39-inch Super AMOLED screen with a 2340 by 1080p resolution is a delight to look at. Colors appear bright and vibrant with deep blacks. I enjoyed streaming videos on this screen. I found the display to be too bright and preferred turning on auto brightness. Of various settings for display, the 20MP front camera with beauty mode captures flawless skin and will be a hit among selfie lovers. The triple camera setup at the rear, 48MP primary camera, 8MP telephoto lens and 13MP ultra-wide lens, are praiseworthy. The RedMi K20 Pro has got the MIUI 10.3.1 along with Poco Launcher on board. While all app icons are placed on the home screen, swiping up from bottom reveals the app tray comprising all apps alphabetically. The app tray is also categorized: communication, entertainment, photos and more, making it easy to look for a particular app based on its nature. There is also a search bar at the bottom, which comes handy especially when you have a few hundred apps on your smartphone.